Would you like to learn how to make the yummiest little smokies wrapped in bacon? Yes, just like this. I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect Super Bowl hors d'oeuvre. We're gonna use some little smokies, some bacon, some maple syrup, and of course, Lisa D's secret ingredient. Hey, it's Lisa D, founder of Lisa D's Delights. And on this channel, we help beginner cooks learn how to prepare quick and simple recipes made with love. Most of our recipes are Southern cuisine with a healthy flair. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Here are some of the things that we're gonna use today on our little smokies. I like to make this yummy glaze for them, and I use butter. I like Kerrygold a lot. And we're going to use some maple syrup. You don't have to use maple syrup. You can use regular Aunt Your Mama, whatever kind of syrup, but I just like the flavor of the maple syrup. And we're going to use some CINNADUST, Cinnamon Toast Crunch CINNADUST. This stuff is so good, girl. If you like Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal, you will love this. It just gives a nice cinnamon-ish, yummy-ish flavor to the little smokies. I also use that in my candy yams, and it's bomb. You can find it. I got it at Sam's Club, but you can also find it on Amazon. You can use any kind of bacon that you like for this appetizer, but I just find that this applewood smoked bacon is super yummy. So first we want to start by cutting the bacon into threes, like so. Get you a sharp knife and cut it into three like this. This is a 12-ounce pack of bacon, by the way. Then you simply just take the little smoky and wrap the bacon around it like this. You don't really need toothpicks. You can just place it cut side down and it'll hold. I do like to serve them with toothpicks though. The pack of little smokies that I used was a 14-ounce pack of little smokies, and it gave me 37 smokies. But I had 2 left over. I ran out of bacon with 2 smokies left over, so maybe you might want to use a larger pack of bacon. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 375, and be sure to use aluminum foil on your baking sheet to help with that stress-free cleanup. Once you get all the puppies all wrapped up, they will look like so. Now let's work on this yummy glaze. Take 1 stick of butter and melt it in the microwave. Then add in 1 cup of pure maple syrup. Like I said, you can use whatever kind of syrup you like. Then add 2 tablespoons of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch CINNADUST. This stuff is so yummy. I hope you can find it. It's awesome when you need to add in that little cinna spice flavor to things. I use it on my baked sweet potatoes. I use it when I make a ham and stuff. And like I said, those candy yams, oh my God, CINNADUST made them off the chain good. I'll link that video above. So then you just want to love up and rub down our puppies with that luscious maple buttery goodness. And by the way, if you're feeling my vibe, please subscribe. Do me right by hitting like. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of this yumminess. And please share if you care. I thank you so much in advance. Once you're all done loving on your weenies, child, this is a family show. Sprinkle about 1 cup of brown sugar all over the top. And then we're gonna bake it at 375 for 20 minutes. And then after that, we're gonna turn the oven to broil and let it broil for about 4 or 5 minutes, just so the bacon can get nice and crispy. Let it bake uncovered, by the way. After 20 minutes, this is what they're looking like, and they are smelling even better. Oh my God, these things are so good. My son could not stop eating them. as well as the sliders that I made. Yes, girl, I made some Philly cheesesteak sliders for Super Bowl, but I did it my way. I added in some Italian sausage, and of course, I also added in another one of my secret ingredients. I'll link that recipe above too. But tell me in the comments, who you got for this Super Bowl? I found me some more bacon because I like to make this yummy dipping sauce with these Lil Smokies. What I do is when I have leftover bacon, I chop it up and I put it in my favorite, barbecue sauce, which happens to be Sweet Baby Ray's. And then you have a nice little dipping sauce. Anywho, once done, they will look amazing like this. Look at God. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. That's why I love him so. Girl, I'm telling you, you gotta make your Super Bowl hors d'oeuvres like this. These were off the chain. That sweet maple and CINNADUST mixed with the savoriness of the bacon. Girl, even if your favorite team does not win, your appetizers will sure be a hit. Period, Pooh. In case you want to add something a little bit more sensible to your Super Bowl appetizer table, I don't know why you would want to do that, but I made the most delicious asparagus wrapped in bacon. You have to check that recipe out. I'll link it above. And of course, you can use turkey bacon instead if you like. Now let me go find that old lazy Chief Tasting Officer Mace to approve this dish. Chief Tasting Officer, are you ready? You want to taste a Lil Smoky? Do you like it? Mace, was it good? Good luck. Happy Super Bowl. Girl, Mace told me to tell you that he feels as though he's overworked and underpaid, and he said he would appreciate it if you would hit that like button and the subscribe button. He said it won't hurt your finger or your wallet. He also told me to tell you to have a delicious and delightful day. Bye.